Hello, Mr. Josh here. In this video I'll explain the difference between paw and paw. Before that, would you like to win 5 hours of Skype lessons with me? Simply subscribe and leave a comment for this video to be entered into the draw. Details are in the description below. Now, back to the video. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. Don't look at me like that. I can't pour myself a drink with my paws. Paws are what cats and dogs have in place of feet. Pour is what you do when you move liquid from a bottle to a glass. You can also say that it is pouring with rain. If you enjoyed this video, you should try one of these.